Oh, dear friend, there is a major update for Audacity. No, Audacity 3.7.1 is available for downloading, dear friends. We are now at the website of Audacity. Here you can see Audacity is the world's most popular audio editing and recording app, dear friends. And you can totally use it for free. You don't have to pay anything. So for Adobe Audition, you have to pay monthly subscription, so costly. And all things which you do in Adobe Audition, you can do in Audacity, and more better than the Adobe Audition you can do here, dear friend. I record most of my in Audacity. It's my favorite audio recording and audio editing software. You see, you can read here one by one all these previous updates etc, but we come here directly for downloading. Here don't download this because this will download you the Muse Hub, which is like a paid software. With download without Muse Hub, we just click here. So we have come here, you see we have Audacity here, so we will directly come to Audacity here. Dear friend, listen this class till the end. We will edit in Audacity our audio, we will record audio, then we will edit, and we will see all the basic features till the end, dear friends. This class will be very interesting for you today. So we have downloaded, you see we have this Audacity here, and we will come here, we will just run it as administrator. Here we are, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click yes. Now you see we are now in select language. You can select any language. For me default language is better, so I use English, so I will select English. You can click and check and select your mother language here, dear friend. Okay, now we are welcome to Audacity setup wizard. You see this will install Audacity 3.7.1 on your computer. We'll just go ahead. You can read all. Okay, we just go ahead, and next everything will remain in default. And next, dear friends, okay, don't touch anything. Next, install. Now we see we have installed Audacity here. Just finish here. Now we come to our here website here, update app checking. Okay, we will do this. Okay, now so you see now we are in Audacity here. Here you see what's new in Audacity. You can read and see the video, watch the release video. Spectral's multi-band compressor available on MuseHub. I don't actually need this, but if you are more professionals, you can go and try this. It will help you, dear friends. Hello, dear friend. We are now in updated Audacity. Here you can check about Audacity 3.7.1 for recording. Before if you are beginner, you have to understand first the interface of the software. You see this is the file here, this is the edit, this is select, view. You can view all, zoom, track, toolbar, timeline. This is the transport. You can see playing, recording, track, generate here. And this is the effect where we apply all type of effects to our sound after recording. This is analyze and tools. We learn this in the next class, dear friend. And this is the help here. For recording, you have to come here first, audio setup here, dear friend. You see this is the host. We don't touch playback device. We don't need or voice overs, because playback device, when you in real time you have to listen some things, then we will use this. But we need this recording device. You see here, so you have various type of recording device. Some are this virtual device, just for your applications. These devices are available, but this is actually my device here. You see microphone, a Blue Yeti mic I have. We have to just click in the same way. If you have a device here, your device, you can understand there, and you have to click there. Okay, so we have just click our device here, and recording device is selected. You can check here. You see we have you can check other. You can, if you put on this, it will be microphone. This microphone will be selected, for example. Now we come here and check. You see, no, this is no, but this is virtual, so we use this Yeti, Blue Yeti mic, our microphone. Okay, this is our microphone. So you, once your microphone is selected, it's a very important to make a proper setup for the best quality. It will actually affect the quality of your voice, dear friend. Here we come to record. Recording channels is very important. If you record for your voice over, mono is good for if you have songs and you have to you want two tracks, and you want to apply some effect to only one track. So you can try stereo. You can select from mono here. You have to audio setup, but I just click here to stereo here. Okay, After that settings, you have to come here you see audio setting is very important. Here you have to come, actually this is the main settings which will affect your sound. Here you have to come here. I have playback setting is for this real time. This is our default. This is the our monitors microphone. Okay, we will not touch that, and we will come here. We have selected from microphone. From here you can again select if you want, and studio mono you can change from here. Actually this is the main things. Project sample rate is very important. Here you have to check 4800 and 4400. In these two are much better, but there is no much difference between 44,100 hertz and 48,000. For our default, this is the good. I always use this. And default sample rate is also you can make if you want change this 41,000 hertz. You can check this. I suggest you not more than this. This will increase the file 88,200 hertz, and it will not make the quality good and take the resource of your computer. So I just put this to this sample rate. This default is okay, and this is default sample rate format. From here you can 24 and 32 is ideal. I use 32 bit. Here buffer length is okay. This I will not latency compensation minus 130. We will not touch this. Okay. Once we have set here, and again we come here, you see if you don't find your microphone here, you can scan from here. Re-scan audio device, it will re-scan your audio. When you come now and you will get recording device, here you will find. Actually this is the main settings for our recording in Audacity, dear friend. And here if you come, this is actually the main. After that you can make it 100% sound level. Here you will get when you start recording. Here I always put this to 100. It will show you the better sound also. Here after that you have to come to view. Here you see view, and here you have to come to toolbar. In toolbar, this is not it is not selected in default way. Device toolbar, you have to click device toolbar. Now your microphone all will be appear here. Our Yeti Blue Yeti microphone is selected here, and studio we have choose a studio. From here you can again change whenever you want microphone. You can change from here. Our this is the default playback audio is here. Everything is okay, and here you have to come here. You see this is a pause. From here you can pause. Here from here you can play, start playing when you pause, and this backward forward play, and you start recording here. Once we'll start, and now we'll try just now. Hello dear friend, if this class is helpful to you, this class adds value to your life, dear friend, please don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you, dear friend. Nowadays I'm working hard. I expect a subscription from you, and like, comment, share, dear friend, because this motivates me. If you want I continue on YouTube, please dear friend subscribe. Dear friend, without your subscription I can't continue. I will be disappointed, and I will stop working on YouTube for you, making content for you, dear friend. I steal time from my family. I work hard for you, dear friend. So please subscribe and suggest. I will make more tutorial about Audacity, and I have video editing softwares tutorials about Caden Live, DaVinci Resolve, or other software. Go to the playlist and see, dear friend. So let's now go to our here. For settings we have set all this audio. This is very important, and we will start here recording. Hello dear friend, now we are coding our voice on Audacity here, and we are checking the quality, and this Audacity tutorial will help you a lot. If you are beginner, dear friends, listen this class till the end. We are now recording on Audacity. Once you see, if you want to pause here directly, I have pause here. Now the shortcut is P. I have pause here, and from here you see play shift plus space bar. Here you can stop. Here you can record new. You see our meters are now visible. Once you start recording, so the meters will be visible here. Our ideal meter is from minus 6 dB to 12 16 dB is okay, because here it's a load. I have the gain. I have made the gain load on in our microphone here, and you can control the gain on your microphone. It will affect the quality. If it's a very loud and your sound is bursting, so you can make the gain smaller on your microphone. Hello dear friend, we have started resume recordings. From here anytime you can resume. You see pause and resume. It's a good. If you want to take rest after recording, just here you can play. Once recorded, you just click here. stop recording. Now you can play here. You can, once it's recorded, you can stop from here. You see, again, if you want to record new, you have to just click here for new recording, and from here you have to just stop here. So we have a stop recording. Now we can play now. Hello, dear friends. Now we are recording our voice on Audacity here, and we are checking the quality. And this Audacity tutorial will help you a lot if you are beginner, dear friends. Listen this class till the end. We are now recording on Audacity. Once you see, if you want to pause here. Hello, dear friend. We have started resume recordings from here anytime. It's a very easy to record in Audacity. You have to understand the basic for the best quality. These settings are very important, dear friend. All these settings you make once these settings, it will help you a lot, dear friend. This actually, and after that, once it's recorded and you come here to file here, you can save the file, save project. This will save the Audacity project, the native files which you can open anytime and start again, resume your work here. I will click here, save project, control save project as you can make. Just click here, take your device here. I take just stop Audacity demo. This is actually native files for Audacity. We will save to our desktop here. Save. Now we can control Q. We can stop Audacity, and this is our Audacity file here. And this is actually, you see, it's a temporary files. It will be later automatically disappear from our desktop. This is Audacity here. This is Audacity OP3 which we have saved on our computer, and we will just double click and we will directly, it will open Audacity here. So you see our project is open here and we can play now. Hello, dear friend. We have started resume recordings from here. Anytime again we can play here now. Recording on Audacity. Once you see, if you want to pause here. Hello, dear friend. We have you can stop anytime, and here this you see, this is playhead, like same like video editing software. So we come here forward and you can backward. You can directly go to, you can jump from at the end. You see shift plus in shortcut is select. We are at the beginning of our audio recorded audio, and we will just click here. Hello, dear friends. Now we are recording our voice on Audacity here, and we are checking the quality. And this Audacity tutorial will help you a lot if you are beginner, dear friends. Listen this class till the end. We are now recording on Audacity. Hello, dear friend. Once you have recorded your voice in Audacity, you have to understand the basics of timeline actually, like a video editing software. You see here, we come here, our playhead is here. When you just press here, your playhead is here, dear friend. But most of time when we play, we make such a mistake when we are beginner in Audacity. For example, I show you, I want to play this video quality, and this we understand that we just, like you see, you can do like this when you click, and actually this is a loop. When you accidentally switch on loop, it will play only this part here. You see voice on recording our voice on recording our actually this is the loop playing, dear friend. When we are beginner, we make mistake, we think this is a play. This is a loop. You can make this size bigger, so you can play only between this now, only between this. You can't play here. For example, now I play here hairs, and we are checking the quality. And this Audacity tutorial will help you a lot in recording. You see, means we have defined the area from here to here. We play here. Actually, this when you drag, it's actually loop, dear friend. This is a loop. This is not the playhead. Actual playhead is here. When you click here, this is a playhead. Actually, this is a playhead, but this is a loop. So when you accidentally switch on loop, you have to just click here, clear loop. You see, clear loop. It will be loop will be clear. Again, you can make loop like this is not playhead. Playhead. When I started editing in Audacity, I made mistake. No, our actual timeline is here. This is actually a playhead, timeline playhead. If, for example, I want to split this video, just click here, right click on your mouse here. You can cut, you can split. Control I shortcut is you can split. Control V, you can paste anywhere. Control C, copy. Control X, you can cut. If you control X, it will cut the, but control I, if control I, you see it has splitted. And from here you can directly trim. Actually, dear friend, hit this side, you can trim, just cut. You see, we have cut. And if you want to trim here, you have to just take playhead here. You see, you can see like this, you can trim your part here. For example, I have trim. No, it will be, I will play from only, you see, this is now vacant area. No, I will play here. Recording our voice. This is actually a space. This is actually playhead. From here you can make adjust like this. adjust like this. You see, you can adjust here timeline, you can adjust timeline from here. No, I want to cut from here, for example. This is a loop, we have defined loop, but we don't need loop, we unclear here. Take our mouse here, you see, and from here control I, we can split control I. So you see we have split it from here. You can just take playhead and you can make a smaller like this. From here you can make like this. From here you can adjust like this. You can crop your audio. This audio you can crop like this. One very important thing is I want to show you how you can remove the background noise. Actually, this is the important part of Audacity here. We take some sample here. You see, for example, I have here, we take this, just we will just click here and know some few seconds for Audacity to analyze. We come here to here effect. See, in effect we come here. This is the noise removal and repair. Here we come to noise reduction. Want to remove noise. This is actually default. You can make 3 dB. Again, you can make a small like this 3 dB. 5, 4, 6 is okay. Okay, 3, 4. You can adjust sensitivity. You can make a smaller, not too much, not too much big. And frequency you can adjust like this, and you can preview here. See, this is the noise out. This is the noise. So this noise will decrease. You can listen carefully. I show you. The- This noise will decrease everywhere on our timeline, because this is actually make a sample for Audacity to analyze. Once analyzed, just get noise profile. So Audacity has analyzed. Now we will select all. Control A, and you have to come to effect here again. In effect, you have to come. You see noise removal and repairs, and we will come here noise reduction here, and this is actually the noise gate profile we have. Now we can preview and listen. Hello, dear friend. Now we are coding our voice on Audacity, so we can make. If we are not satisfied, we can try. See, like we can make this to 5. 4 is okay. Reduction sensitivity is okay. Frequency band 5 something to try. And now we can listen. Hello, dear friend. Now we are recording our voice on Audacity. I think it's okay, and you can try. See, otherwise default is okay. You can try default, but I think 6, 4, 4 is okay here, and we'll try something okay. Frequency band is 6, okay, and we'll just hello, dear friend. Now we are recording our voice on Audacity. So it's okay once everything is okay. Just we click okay now. You see now as we have a click there, and you can see the difference. Now we just play. Hello, dear friend. Now we are coding our voice on Audacity here, and we are checking the quality. And this Audacity tutorial will help you a lot if you are a beginner, dear friends. Listen this class till the end. Stop here. So hello, dear friend. Now we are. In this way, you can record in Audacity after editing audio in Audacity and recording audio and editing audio. You have to come here, export audio, Control Shift E, export to your computers. You have to select the folder from here, Audacity here. This is our demo name file. Okay. Browse the folder. We come here. For example, I take this on our desktop here. We have folder this mail record. Okay. We just click here. I just write Audacity demo. Okay. Save. Export. It will be exported. You can see the profile. All these profile are okay. Or studio, the sample rate, encoding, everything is okay. Just export here, and we just close Audacity, Control Q to close, and we come to our this here to our folder. This is our Audacity file here. Just play. Hello, dear friend. Now we are coding our voice on Audacity here, and we are checking the quality. And this Audacity tutorial will help you a lot if you are beginner, dear friends. Listen this class till the end. We are now recording on Audacity. Dear friend, we updated Audacity, and we learned how to record our audio and remove background, and we can split audio and edit and export, dear friends. We meet in the next class. Don't forget to share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial, dear friend. Write in the comment box, so how do you use Audacity, how do you apply all these effects and learnings to your audio production, dear friend. We meet in the next class, and suggest me which type of tutorial do you want about Audacity. Take care. Bye.